Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock your Trust Wallet USDT. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here, you want to go to your Trust Wallet. Basically, back then there was no USDT available here in your Trust Wallet, but now, once you scroll down and tap on Manage Your Crypto, you'll be able to actually unlock USDT already right here. And if you don't have it, you can just unlock it right here, or you can search for USDT. And it's going to show you all the USDTs that are available in every network. So if you have Avalanche, OpenBNB, and even Avalanche the C chain, or you want the Polygon, you will have to enable those. So now as you can see, USDT is now available with us. You have a lot of USDT available, so if you want the Ethereum version or the ERC20 blockchain version, you can go with this. So basically, if you're using Binance, I would go with the BNB right here. You can also go with other option, depending on your network. So that's basically how you can unlock your Trust Wallet USDT. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.